Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by confirming model and firmware in the Google Home app. This tells you if an update is pending. Plug Chromecast into power, not a TV USB, so updates don't fail. Make sure your phone and Chromecast share the same Wi-Fi network. Once connected, open Google Home and tap the device card. If the app prompts update or reboot, choose update. You do this now because the device will download a package and then install automatically, which can take several minutes. If the update doesn't start automatically, trigger it in device information by tapping update. That forces the download and install. Monitor progress in Google Home. There's a percentage bar because the device will reboot once or twice during installation. Make sure no other device is hogging bandwidth. Heavy downloads can slow or stall the update. If your Chromecast goes offline, wait 5 minutes and check connectivity before retrying. Once the progress reaches 100%, the device usually finalizes and returns to the home screen. After installation completes, verify the firmware version in the same device information panel and then test casting from an app. YouTube or Spotify are quick checks. If the update fails or the Chromecast is stuck in a boot loop, reboot the Chromecast and your router, then retry the update. If problems persist, perform a factory reset as a last resort. Remember, this erases saved settings. One key troubleshooting tip: power the Chromecast from a wall adapter, not the TV USB, to avoid insufficient power errors during updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.